today is lesson 1.11, combine place values to subtract. Our essential question is, how can you use the combined place value strategy to subtract 3-digit numbers? So first, what we're going to do is we are going to look at this table. The table lists the heights in feet of some buildings in Denver, Colorado. Which is the best estimate of how many feet taller the Republic Plaza building is than the Spire building? So the Republic Plaza is 714 feet. The Spire is 478. So what we're going to do is we're going to estimate. We're going to turn 714 into 700. And we're going to turn 478 into 5. It's just easier to round them to the same place value, which is the hundreds place. We know that 700 minus 500 is 200. So that would be letter B. Right here, we have problem 324 minus 219. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it apart into place value. So we're going to have 324, and we're going to turn it into expanded form. So we have 300 plus 20 plus 4, and 200 plus 10 plus 9. So when we subtract it, we're going to then going to know if we have 4, we can't take away 9. So we're going to have to borrow from the 20 and make this a 10, and rather make this a 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5, 10 minus 10 is 0, 300 minus 200 is 1. So my answer is 105. This next problem, what we're going to do is we're going to do using place value. So 851 minus 448. So we're going to take this 1 and make it an 11 because we cannot do 1 minus 8. We knew that we borrowed it from this 5, so this is going to be a 4. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So my answer is 403. Your problem will be 485 minus 376. Please write this on your Post-it and turn in when you are done.